Bitcoin is testing $100,000 per coin, and everybody's excited again. This is exactly what we anticipated. This is exactly what we expected after Bitcoin breaks out of this little level of resistance immediately. Goes to test that $100,000 mark. Now, I do believe that Bitcoin is going to be able to surpass this. I do believe that Bitcoin is going to continue running. I do believe that Bitcoin will hit new all-time highs. And as it does, coins like Shiba Inu coin could absolutely hit new highs as well. So over 6.7, yeah, that says trillion Shiba Inu coin in 24 hours. Is this the beginning of a bull run? Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, everything is looking good on the cryptocurrency market today. You've got Bitcoin hitting 99.9 thousand, literally $99,847 on this exchange right here, KSEX. I believe on Webull it was 99.9. You've got a lot of bullish activity as Bitcoin is breaking out. Now, one of the things that I am doing to take advantage of this is diversifying my portfolio. I have bought into, yes, Bitcoin. I own a lot of Shiba Inu coin, absolutely. But I've also been buying tokens like Solixi, Best Wallet. You've got Mind of Pepe. This one's launching, guys, in the next 3 weeks or so. So pay attention to this one. Only 22 days left of this ICO. Bitcoin Bull. Oh, I'm excited about getting free Bitcoin because I own Bitcoin Bull. And I'm absolutely looking forward to those airdrops into my wallet. But one of the closest ones to keep your eye on, Waygu Cash. This is going to be a fair launch on Saturday, May 10th. I don't know exactly what time it's going to begin, but this Saturday, the journey to $25 billion begins. Oh, I am absolutely looking forward to this one. Even if they hit a fraction of that, it is going to be a very big gainer. So keep your eyes, follow their X account. You guys got links to their X and their Telegram down in the description below. It is going to be a fair launch sometime on Saturday, which means that there's no ICO lockup. You're going to go out there, you're going to grab it on, well, I don't know exactly. I believe it's a Solana token, but I don't know exactly if it's going to be launching on Pump or if it's going to be launching on Radium or exactly which DEX it's going to be launching on. So pay attention to everything that they've got to talk about there. Looking forward to Waygu Cash. But right now, Shiba Inu coin is doing a fantastic job. We've got Bitcoin hitting fresh highs, testing 100,000, and Shiba Inu coin is running back up to, I believe, 1350 points per coin. We got to go find that right here. Yeah, 1356 points per coin. A very nice green day as it is curling back up once again. So let's talk about this 6.7 trillion Shiba Inu coin. It says in the last 24 hours, 6.71 trillion SHIB tokens have moved through the network, setting a new 7-day high for the volume of large transactions. This enormous increase in on-chain activity may be the first concrete indication of a more significant bullish shift that has been subtly developing in the background. Now, for you and me, not for all of you guys, for some of you and me, we have been accumulating. We have been taking perfect advantage of this fearful situation. And as a matter of fact, I believe this is probably going to be ticking back up a little bit. Sitting here at 53 greed. I would imagine tomorrow some more confidence is going to be returning as Shiba Inu coin is bouncing up and Bitcoin is hitting $100,000 per coin. Now, moving on, it says that in terms of price, SHIB has been successfully recovered from the 50-day exponential moving average, indicating that mid-range support is still in place. In an upward trending market, the 50-day exponential moving average serves as a launch pad, and the recent recovery strengthens the bullish argument. Currently trading at about 1350 points per coin, SHIB is moving closer to the crucial resistance of 1400 points per coin, which has been limiting upward movements from the previous 2 months. And as we move, as we gather strength, you can see we've wicked up to about 1500 points with this 1400 point per coin level. Resistance. Oh, in just the same exact way that Bitcoin ripped through resistance at that 95,000 level, SHIB will also rip through resistance at the 1400 point per coin level. Gains are going to be pouring in. And you still, look, a lot of you guys are saying, but it's not 1,000 points per coin. I didn't get it at the absolute bottom. Does this look like a coin that doesn't have any room left to run? Does this look like a cryptocurrency that it is at its peak? Absolutely not. Guys, there are no other industries in this entire world where you can go out there and in a couple day period, double, triple your money. Not with certainty, but with probability. Cryptocurrency is amazing because, yes, it is volatile. The gains also have losses. But look where we are right now. Bottom, 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 rise dramatically. Bottom, bottom, bottom. What do you think comes next? Now, I am excited because I have been accumulating during this period of fear. Not just Shiba Inu coin, right? It's a lot of people think that I only own SHIB because a lot of my videos are about Shiba Inu coin, but it's not the case. I do own a lot of SHIB, but it's not my only token. So when I go out there and I see cryptocurrency like Trump up 12.69% today, I am excited about that. I own some Trump. I own Melania. Now, Melania not doing as well as Trump is today, but guess what? That's where diversification comes into play. Trump is offsetting some of the stagnation in Melania. Shiba Inu coin is offsetting some of the stagnation in Melania. And we are gearing up for some major gains. Now, with that being said, let's see what these guys have to say about where we're headed. It is evident that something is brewing beneath the surface, as the chart indicates a tightening consolidation structure and volume is increasing, especially on the institutional side based on the large transaction metrics. The 50-day exponential moving average, which serves as support, and the resistance at 1400 are currently separating the price. The 200-day exponential moving average, which is close to 1600 points per coin, and also a significant structural resistance level, could be reached quickly if there's a clear break above that zone. Absolutely. And with Bitcoin back up above 100,000, it's not there yet, but it is testing that level and will get back up above 100,000. With Bitcoin sitting at 99,300 right now, testing. Just wait. Here's how close we are to the all-time highs on Bitcoin. Yet we're sitting at a level of neutrality in terms of fear and greed. Make it make sense, people. We are sitting here $5,000 away from breaking out of all-time high resistance levels. We had one day wick up to 109,000. That is it. If you have not been accumulating, I don't know what to tell you, but Bitcoin is back up. Bitcoin is back up roughly 30-something%. One of the largest assets in the world, a 30% monthly gain. Meme coins will follow. Altcoins will follow. Guys, the pattern has repeated itself for the last decade and a half. Do not miss out. Please. Now, looking at that, I am accumulating a lot of different crypto on the KSEX exchange. If you guys want to do the same thing, you can come down, you got a link in the description or the pinned comment. All they need is an email to sign up for KSEX. It's actually very easy. And then from there, you can grab any cryptocurrency that you could possibly want. It's a very, very nice centralized exchange platform. You can trade your Bitcoin on up to 125x leverage, 0.01% futures fees on Bitcoin, literally 0% on Shiba Inu coin. Now, I hold my cryptocurrency. I do a lot of trading on these centralized exchanges, but I hold my cryptocurrency on the blockchain, and Best Wallet is one of my favorite wallets. If you guys want to figure out why, just use that link down there in the description to download it. Its ease of use, its simplicity, its user interface, all of these are top-notch. Hundreds of thousands of downloads, 4.4 stars. Make sure to check it out. See what you think about it. Hold your assets so that they are in your custody. Let me know what you guys are doing. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.